Hi guys, it's Mary. I just received yesterday my Simon Says stamp kit. This is the March one, and so I thought we would give it a check and see what's inside. Let me get rid of the box. So their card kits are monthly, and they also have some special ones that you can also get, which run a little bit more money. So this month comes with a bag, and they changed the color of their bags. Well, not the color, but the tone. So they used to be this more minty color, and now they're more of an emerald green color. I personally like the minty, but nobody asked my opinion, so I'll live. But they're nice because you can put all the contents of the kit in the bag. So this month was Easter themed, and even though I really didn't need a bunch of Easter stuff, here, let me get this out of here before it makes all this noise. Clearly it doesn't want to come out. Hold on. Here we go. It was all stuck. All right. That was noisy. So even though I didn't really need Easter, as usual, the stamp set got me. And not just the bunnies, but just the other stuff that's on the stamp set, which I will show you. So it's called Hoppy Days Ahead, and they always have a little pictures for some ideas, and then the kit includes, and then what it includes. So the paper that's included this time is Eastery. It is 100 pounds cardstock in lavender, smoke, and cornflower. And this is 110 pound solar white Nina. So, and then they always come with envelopes. And I've never quite figured out why. But this month it is a metallic silver and a white. And it says, yeah. And then a slimline in avocado, which is kind of a pretty green. So 3 this time. All right, so this time they've included a bottle of the Simon Says Craft Tacky Glue. I've never tried that, so I'll be interested to see how it fares to the Craft Tacky Glue from Tonic. It says super tacky PVA with extra fine precision tip. All right. And then a full-size pad of the Simon Says Stamp Positively Saturated ink, which I'm excited about because they just came out recently with the saturated ink, and what I've been told and I've seen, they're saying that they're very intense colors. So that's exciting. I'm anxious to see that. And then we got a little mini brush, and I don't have a mini brush, so I'm anxious to try this out. So that's fun. And then let's see what else we got. We've got a template stencil for clouds. And you can see in this from Kathy Z that she used the clouds. She actually used the cloud and then did just the outline. So that's kind of cool. And then here's a couple of cards to watercolor. Birdhouse, little bunny, and then sentiments that you can cut out. And then there's 6 sheets. This is called Paper Rose Wildflower. And look at how pretty these are. Let me get this ball out of the way. Look at how pretty these are. Double-sided. Oh, this has got words on it. That must be what they used on that, obviously. That's pretty. There's an alphabet there. That's pretty too. They're all pretty. There's a slight sheen to it. It's not like a regular dull paper. So wood grain on the other side. All right, so they did pretty good. And then the little candy they always give. So here, though, is the stamp set. And it's got really cute, look at the little mama and the baby, or the daddy and the baby bunny. Little single bunny, little bunny with a carrot. But not everything has to be bunny, you know, and this is what I liked. I liked it, while it says Hoppy Days Ahead, it is also always stop to smell the flowers, which is a great saying. Just thinking about you makes me hoppy. No bunny compares to you. You make me feel hoppy every day. Happy Easter. Happily ever after. But I liked the sayings. It has a happy birthday, wishing I could hug you, somebody loves you, just saying hello, sending hugs, thinking of you, happy days ahead, I cannot wait to see you again. And nowadays, I mean, these are great sentiments, you know. So that's what I fell in love with. Of course, I know every month I fall in love with their stamp set, which is why I get their kits. Wishing I could hug you. Oh, come on. How could you say no to that? So, you know, and cute little flowers. Just, you know, make a little scene. I just thought the sayings were awesome. And so, okay, so she used the card and then cut it out. And then used, and then she just used a saying, just saying hello. Look at how cute that is. I made a shaker card over here. Look at how adorable that is. And then Kathy Z, you know, she goes for simplicity. Oh, I forgot. It comes with a little cottontails. So you can put little bunny tails on your bunnies. Look at how simple that is. Just colored in one of the little grass. Did the bunny, and then did the clouds. This one's using this watercolor card here. Look at how nice that looks, all colored in. And then somebody took the papers and then cut them into strips and weaved them. That's really cute. And then the one back of the paper they used as the background. So I'm really pleased with this kit. I can't wait, like I said, to try the Simon Says stamp. So I think all in all, it's a pretty good kit. I'm happy with it. And really, really, I'm happy with the stamp set. So, all right, so that's it. That's the March Hoppy Days Ahead Simon Says stamp kit. I thank you for watching. I appreciate any time that you can spend. I appreciate it if you're a subscriber. If you like the video, please hit the like button. And until the next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Oh, and if you have the kit, let me know in comments. I always love reading comments and answering them, so let me know. All right, that's it. See you later. Thanks. Bye-bye.